Hello guys, we are going to be playing Totally Accurate Battle Simulator. Oh yeah, and we are going in Sandbox, and this is new, and also my name is CoolKat, yeah. So please leave a like as well. I'm just showing you the new map. It's nice, and you can dash when you're in looking mode, and it's really cool. Look around the map. Yeah, it's really cool. Okay, back to battling, I guess. Yeah, this is new as well. And these are all the secret units. Some are new, some are old. I'm going to do some of these guys versus some clams. And I know the clam's gonna win, so I'm gonna only put a few. Yeah. And then, oh, there we go. And this is in slow-mo right now. You can see because they're moving, but now they're not moving. Pause, isn't that cool? Then just go get a drink or whatever. And down the bottom, you can see there's push, grab, shoot, vacuum, and invert gravity. And if I shoot, I will shoot arrows, and then they will hit the guy and kill them. And that's really cool. And if you hold it's a button on the controller, and then you do that, and then you can change the spear. I think spear is gonna be good. Oh man, yeah, there's a lot there. Ballista Zeus. Ballista is actually quite powerful. Spray. Yeah. It's really cool. You can just shoot. Shoot me in the face. Yeah. It's really cool. Wait, what? Shoot in your face. It's not working. Oh, it actually did. Let's do that. Yeah, it did. And that's really cool. And the coolest thing is there's this thing, and there's also a new thing like where it's in a different map, and it's in the pirate map, and it's where you get a secret unit. And this is the only one I'm going to show you. Well, I'm going to show you the ones on the Wild West as well. So it's over here, and then you go in, and then you should find something somewhere here. I can't seem to find it, but somewhere. I know it is. Oh, here it is, yes. Boom. Look at that. And it would be right here. And it's just a nice place to hang out. Yeah. So that's a secret place for you. Really cool. Just wanted to show you. Yep. And the rest on the Wild West. Ooh, goody. I'm just gonna club us so I can. I'm just gonna put down there so I can. Wait, we're gonna shoot the reds. Let's shoot the reds so they lose. Do that later. So one of the secret units, I'm pretty sure was here. It was in there, right there. And then the other one is on the other side. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Well, also you need to buy this thing, and it's kind of like the bug thingy. And then you shoot that, it explodes, yeah. And then the other thing, it was a cage. I'm pretty sure it's on the other side. Yeah, it's here. And there is a ball and chain. You start it, it explodes. Yep. And then the other, oh yeah, I'm gonna show you that in right now. Yeah. So, pause it. Oh yeah, needs to be on shoot. Then wait until, why is that paused? What? There we go. And then it will be right here. You start it, explodes, and yeah. And that's all the secret units in here. Now let's shoot some blues. Or reds, whichever one I said. Let's shoot him in the face, wait. There we go. Spear. Turn. I don't know what that landed, but there we go. It's gonna be cool. And also you can become them, which is kind of sweet. Look at this. I'm what? Not cool. You can just stop them there. Also, you wanna know what the push does? Basically, push them. Grab. Oh, look at this. I'm gonna grab him. Pull it. Come on. Yeah, it's nice. It's kind of hard to move, but you'll get the hang of it. Soon, maybe. Vacuum is basically like pulling them. Yeah, and oh goody, invert gravity. It basically pulls all of them towards you. Oh goody, invert gravity. Oh, that's fun. Oh my god, you don't know how fun that is. Yeah, it's really fun. And you can shoot them. Shoot them. Oh, I missed. Now you get hit. There we go. That's in the back. And I can shoot you in the leg, I guess. Red team defeated, blue team won. Guess we can place some more on the reds. Let's give them. Oh, wrong one, man. Wrong one. Wild West, whichever one, Cowboy Wars, whatever. You can put these guys wherever you want, basically, like up there, there. Yeah. Got crit draw. Can go there. Crit draw's kind of sweet, like it. Crit draw. And you can, yeah. Speed boost. Let's shoot all the blues, shall we? Shoot him. Shoot. Gonna. Oh man. Spray. Beam. Oopsies. Oh man, wrong one. There we go, spear. Back to normal. Oh yeah, sorry about that. Anyway, let's shoot the blues. And we can do super spray. Kill him. That's so fun. You don't know how much fun it is. Also, you should really buy this game. It's really fun. And yeah, it's really fun. You should buy it maybe someday. Then shoot these guys. Also, if Dan's watching this, I'm a really big fan. And yeah. And also, there's a huge update on this. And I'm pretty much showing it right now. So you can see that, yeah. Shoot this guy. Oh yeah. Yep. So yeah. And I can shoot this guy. Into there. And yeah, see you in a bit. Just kidding, no. And shoot these guys in your faces. Only one. Die. Oh man, man. Die. It got there we go. In this. Oh yeah, shoot him up, shoot him up. Team victory! Good job, guys. And also, when you're done, you can make that. It's nice. Yeah, and see you in the next video, I guess. Bye!